Hi again. This is my pasta machine that I'm going to use to roll out the pasta, and I'm going to show you the process how to do it. First of all, you take a piece of clay and you roll it into a nice sausage, and then you put it in the machine. Hope you can see what I'm doing. And then you turn the handle and it comes out nice and flat so that you can use it on your armature. Look how flat that is. Isn't that wonderful? Here is my new setup. I have my unicorn ready to have the clay put on it. There is my pasta machine next to my setup, and now I'm going to put the clay on my armature. Here is my armature. As I was saying, the unicorn is ready to have the clay put on. I always used to say amateur, which was so wrong. It's called armature. Now we take a flat piece of clay and let's start in the stomach. Now you just wrap it around as tight as you can go, and then you just squash it into the shape you like or want, and hopefully it sticks. As you can see, I've put quite a lot. I've started and I've put quite a lot. This clay is terrible because it crumbles. It's awful because when you put it on, it's crumbling all the time, and it dries very quickly, so you've got to work very quickly. Here is my unicorn, as I inverted commas because I haven't made the basic unicorn. I've put a few extras to it, so he's unique. He looks like a cross between a dog, a horse, and I don't know what. But now I've got basically, oh bugger, that's just great. Well, my camera did a nod there and you couldn't see. As I was saying, I've put all the clay on it, and I've just got to put some details and let it dry, and then we can paint it. Thanks for watching.